Problem is, if you quit whining, he will be gone. They get a slack line, they shake their head. But
Get tired, just tell Dad.
I don't know what we got here.
Wide. Stop without him. Pull this off.
Oh, nice.
Tuna.
Oh, that's awesome. Look at that.
We call him full tabacore.
Whoa, look out.
Don't worry, Kyle. He ain't gonna bite much.
Take your leg off.
All tabacore. There we go. Getting there, you're getting there.
Coming closer.
Right up. Stop. Go black.
Wow, pretty.
He's got racing stripes.
2:30. It starts. They're sleeping in the morning.
Feel like a sleep in. Doug me.
When they're lazy, they're slow. They eat all night. It's like Kyle. They eat late, they lay down.
Wake up. Many loves, smiling faces.
Yeah.
Hard. Yeah. I know.
You okay?
Good. Stand up some fish.
That's pretty big.
Oh my goodness.
He's foul hooked, I think.
Huh?
I think he's foul hooked.
Value?
Foul hooked. Hooked to the side.
Keep up. No, stop whining. Stop.
Nice size.
Boy, big old bonita.
Yeah.
Woo.
That's a good size. Unfortunately, guys, it's not a tuna, it's a bonito.
That's bonito. Paul tabacore.
Take it anyway. Someone's there. Both of mine were jumping. He was jumping. I didn't know what to do. That was just out of my realm. When he was jumping, I was like, what? What in the world did I do? Hey, I will.
Wind him on up. Boy.
Kiss that fish. There we go.
Nice, you color. Coming. Right there.
Hey Nick, you gotta tickle him right on his rib cage.
Coming. Easy now. There he goes. He's gonna sound.
Swim out. Good cast shot, John. Nicely done.
There out, Kyle. Up there. Good.
Bonito.